Question number 1 of exercise 11.1. A square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? The perimeter is given that it is same perimeter of both the figure. We can see that one figure is a square and the other figure is a rectangle. Okay. Now we know that in a square all the sides are same. So this side is also going to be 60. Okay. And in a rectangle, this is the length and this is going to be the breadth. We don't know the breadth. But it is given that the perimeter of both the shapes are same. So using this point that perimeter of square is equals to perimeter of rectangle, we can find out the missing breadth of the rectangle. See how? Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B, right? Now the side is already given 60. 4 into 60 is equals to 2. Now how much is the length? 80 plus breadth is unknown. We have to find. Okay, now this 2 is in multiplication with this bracket. It will go in division. 4 into 60 upon 2 is equals to 80 plus B. You can reduce it. 2 2s are 4. 60 into 2 is 120, which is equals to 80 plus B. To find the value of B, 80 will go in subtraction. 120 minus 80, B is equals to 40 meter. See, by using this point that the perimeter of square is equals to the perimeter of rectangle, we have found the breadth. Now if we know the breadth, it is easy to find out the area of both the figure. Area of square is side into side and area of rectangle is length into breadth. So you can put the values and you can find the area of both the figures. Question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurements as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Now children, if you see this figure, this is the plot which Mrs. Kaushik has. Now it is a square plot. See, both the sides are same. And the house which she is constructing, that is rectangular, 15 meter and 20 meter. Okay, now in the remaining portion, she wants to construct a garden. Okay, now whatever is the leftover part, there she wants to make a garden. And the cost of developing the garden is rupees 55 per meter square. So what we need to find out the cost. We need to find out the area of the garden. And how can we find the area of the garden? In class 7th also you have done questions like this where you have to find out the area of the remaining portion. So what do? In that case, from the outer figure, the area of the outer figure, we will subtract the area of the inner figure from it. Okay, and the remaining portion we will get. So in this, first of all, what you will do? You will first find the area of the plot. And what is the shape of the plot? It is square. So in bracket just mention the shape so that it is easy for you to write down the formula. So area of the plot you will find. Then area of the house you will find. What is the shape of the house? It's a rectangle, length into breadth. After finding both the areas, subtract the areas to find the area of the garden. Okay. How will you get the area of the garden? From the area of the house, from the area of the plot, subtract the area of the house. You will get the garden. Now that is the area of the garden. And what is the cost of constructing that garden? The cost is rupees 55. So whatever is the area will come, multiply that by 55.